Home Remedies presents
Use castor oil as natural arthritis remedy. This changes everything. Hello and welcome. Are you struggling with stiff, painful joints that make everyday tasks harder? Arthritis can feel relentless, but nature has given us a powerful ally: castor oil. Used for centuries, even by the ancient Egyptians, this pale yellow oil is more than just a household staple. It contains unique compounds that fight inflammation, soothe pain, and restore mobility. Before we dive in, let me know in the comments, from which city and country are you watching my video today? Have you ever tried castor oil for arthritis before? Why castor oil works? Castor oil isn't just another home remedy. Its power lies in its unique chemistry. Unlike most vegetable oils, castor oil is made up of nearly 90% ricinoleic acid, a rare omega-9 fatty acid. This compound is the secret behind its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving effects. Here's how it helps arthritis pain step by step. 1. Anti-inflammatory action. Ricinoleic acid interacts with receptors in your immune system, reducing the release of inflammatory chemicals like prostaglandins. This calms swelling in the joints, which is one of the main drivers of arthritis pain. 2. Improved blood flow and circulation. When applied topically, castor oil penetrates deeply into tissues. It stimulates lymphatic drainage and improves circulation around stiff joints, helping flush out toxins and reduce fluid buildup that causes stiffness. 3. Pain relief through nerve calming. Arthritis pain isn't just about swelling. Irritated nerves also play a role. Ricinoleic acid has a soothing effect on nerve endings, reducing the sharp, burning sensations that often accompany joint inflammation. 4. Moisturizing and skin barrier support. Castor oil is thick and emollient, meaning it hydrates the skin and creates a protective barrier. This makes it ideal for massage, as it softens tissues and allows the oil's active compounds to absorb more effectively. 5. Natural detox support. Traditional medicine often used castor oil packs to stimulate the lymphatic system. By encouraging lymph flow, castor oil helps the body clear out waste products that can accumulate around inflamed joints. 6. Synergy with heat. When combined with a heating pad or hot water bottle, castor oil's penetration increases. Heat dilates blood vessels, allowing ricinoleic acid to reach deeper tissues, amplifying its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving effects. Have you ever heard about ricinoleic acid before, or tried castor oil for joint pain? 1. Castor oil pack for arthritis. This is one of the most effective methods. Ingredients: unbleached cotton flannel, folded into 3 to 4 layers. Pure castor oil. Saran wrap. Heating pad or hot water bottle. Preparation and use. Soak the cotton flannel in castor oil until saturated. Place it directly over the painful joint. Cover with saran wrap to prevent mess. Apply a heating pad or hot water bottle on top. Leave for at least 45 minutes. Dosage or timing. Do this once daily for consistent relief. Store the soaked flannel in a sealed bag in the refrigerator for reuse. Have you heard of castor oil packs before? Would you try this method on your knees, shoulders, or hands? 2. Oral use of castor oil. Castor oil can also be taken internally to reduce inflammation. Dosage: add 1 tablespoon of castor oil to a warm beverage. Drink once daily, preferably in the morning. Tip: if you dislike the taste, castor oil capsules are available, though pure oil is more effective. 3. Massage therapy with castor oil. Massaging warm castor oil directly into the joints helps absorption. Preparation and use. Warm a small amount of castor oil, make sure it's not too hot. Massage into the affected area for 5 to 10 minutes. Leave it on overnight for maximum benefit. Timing. Best done before bedtime, so the oil works while you sleep. 4. Castor oil and ginger remedy. For severe arthritis pain, combining castor oil with ginger enhances its anti-inflammatory effects. Ingredients: 1 glass of boiling water, a pinch of ginger powder, 2 tablespoons of castor oil. Preparation and use: add ginger powder to boiling water. Let it cool slightly. Mix in castor oil thoroughly. Drink immediately. Timing: best taken first thing in the morning or right before bed. Safety notes: always ensure the oil is warm, not hot, to avoid burns. Consult your doctor before internal use, especially if you have digestive issues or are on medication. Supplements are convenient but less potent than pure oil. Conclusion: castor oil is more than an old folk remedy. It's a scientifically backed natural treatment for arthritis. Whether through packs, massage, or oral use, its unique anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce pain, improve mobility, and restore quality of life. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who struggles with arthritis, and subscribe for more natural health tips. And don't forget, where are you watching from today? And would you try castor oil for arthritis relief?